I will never panic about broken cruise control again, after learning these simple steps. Here's what every Chevy Traverse owner should know. Let's get you back on cruise. First, check if your cruise control light comes on when you press the button. If not, your system may not be getting power. Make sure your car is in drive, not park or neutral. Next, scan your dashboard for warning lights like the check engine or ABS. If you see one, your Traverse might disable cruise control for safety. You'll need to address that issue first. Now inspect your brake lights. If they don't work, a bad brake light switch could be the culprit your car thinks you're braking, so it won't let cruise activate. Another quick fix, check the fuse box. Look for a blown fuse labeled cruise or brake. Replace if needed. Still not working? Try disconnecting your battery for a few minutes to reset the system. Sometimes a simple reboot does the trick. If you've run through these steps and cruise control still won't engage, it's time to see a mechanic. There could be deeper issues in the wiring or with sensors. Don't ignore cruise control problems, fixing them can make your drive safer and smoother. Stay safe and happy driving.